folks, here we go. The MG RV8. This is a bright looking car. Little convertible for the summer. Well, a lot of convertible for the summer with a V8 in. But yeah, here she is. It's overall very clean on the bodywork. Couple of stone chips on the front end. Just age related stuff, nothing too serious, nothing to worry about. Sat there, ticking over nicely. If anything, it just wants a really good polish. I'll show you when we get a bit closer. Nice bright set of wheels. Go a bit closer and have a look. If you see it in the light. Just wants a bit of a polish really if you're being fussy. Stone chips on the front, but just usual wear and tear. Nice set of wheels on, clean, smart and tidy down the sides. But yeah, a little bit of a nick in the hood there. Other than that, the rest of the roof looks good, back window's good. Arches look okay. Have a look around the back. Quick look inside. Hood's very good at this side. Let's have a quick look inside. Door cards are nice. All your door shuts and stuff are as they should be. Seats. Clean, smart and tidy. Dashboard's good, no cracking on the dash top. Just pop the bonnet for you so you can have a look under there. What's that? Just have a quick look in the driver's side first as well. Same story there. Nice door cards, good in the door shuts. A little bit of wear on there, but nothing too major on the seat. There we are, look, 56,000 miles showing, sorry. So not killed in miles. Sounds really, really sweet. Have a quick look under the bonnet. Look under there. There you go. Very presentable under there. So yeah, please come down and have a look. It's definitely worth looking at. So if you are in the market for a V8 MG, please do come down and have a look. And as ever, speak to the office regarding the paperwork. Thank you.